which means we might have to go next level and do our own photo shoot together.
The only thing, then we have to dress up like two women.
Hey, it worked for Wesley Snipes and Tu Wong Fu.
Did it?
Yes, it did.
Then we're gonna give them. Look, we're gonna give them just what they want.
I could throw a wig on me middle-aged woman.
Makeup,
I know that now. Little blush, little lip gloss.
drama.
Give it to him, Brady.
Shave, son. The boy again said, I don't want to shave.
I need you to go get us some makeup and some
Don't put it in your mouth.
makeup. Basically, we have to look like these two women. So just run out and grab some makeup. I don't know anything about makeup. Like just lipstick and some blush, and just something that like a middle-aged woman would wear. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun.
Shift into our best Playtex Gentle Glide ever. Tampax Pearl opens mainly widthwise. Gentle Glide opens 360 all around. With a worry
Hey, go give it back to him.
and our silkiest applicator ever. Get ultimate protection, ultimate comfort. Playtex Gentle Glide. Experience the sound of dazzling white tea.
Brady, tell him to drop it.
Whitening, vibrant white rinse. Who else could give you extra whitening?
You love being on TV. Huh? Oh, don't put that in your mouth. Ew. The game's not over. Why is he trying to take your ball, Maglio? Huh? You on the camera? What do you want to say to everybody? Hmm? You want to say something? Show me your zit. Brady, let's see that zit on your. Look at that pimple. Look at that pimple on your forehead. Say something, Brady. Say Dada. Dada. Hey, ba ba ba. Brady.
You're on the move, and you're already up to 1,000 yards in just half an hour. That's why you need a diaper that flexes in all the right places. Cruisers with Comfort Flex. It flexes to fit in high motion areas, especially around the waist and waist. It's our
Baba.
best fit ever to help stop weight no matter how much you move. Cruisers with Comfort Flex. From Pampers.
Every Wednesday on Bravo, Make Me a Supermodel is all new.
Still on. Still on. Battery's gonna go dead. Say something. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Free 60-day shopping pass and get started. It's easy to find the club closest to you at BJ's.com. BJ's, it's all about
That's it? Show's over? We want food. Mom, we want food.